This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello and welcome back to channel Tea Lovers. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also do not forget to click on our bell icon for our latest update. If you are totally new viewers on this channel, then our channel provides you the free domain, free hosting, free BCC card and many methods how you can earn the digital currency. If you got any problem related to any topic of my video, or if you need any support regarding AdSense approval or monetization, then you can directly contact on T2054 in the Instagram, or you can join the Telegram channel from the link in the description below. Without wasting time, let's move for the today's content. So in the content of today, we'll discuss how we can solve the invalid activity of AdSense. If you have got invalid click activity on your AdSense and your AdSense is disabled, and if you are not able to monetize your YouTube channel or your website, then this video is very helpful for you. I'll teach you in this video how you can solve the invalid click activity on your AdSense, and you can get your invalid click activity Google AdSense restriction to open again, and you can monetize or get your website or YouTube channel back to the monetization. So without wasting our time, let's move for the today's content so that you can get the proper knowledge of invalid click activity and how to solve this. Okay, as you get the invalid click activity on your AdSense, you will find this type of error in the YouTube, same as in the website. Also, you are not able to access your Google AdSense and you will not able to get the revenue or earning monetization status. But also I want to mention you that if your Google AdSense has got the invalid click activity, the Google will transfer all the fund in your account if you are eligible to get the amount. So the previous due or previous amount will be sent to your account. So there is no problem of getting the own digital currency on your account if your Google AdSense has got invalid click activity. But in the future, you can't get the AdSense approval, or you are not eligible to apply for the Google AdSense as you have got the invalid click activity. So let's first discuss how and what is invalid click activity. Basically, invalid click activities will come when you made your own click on your AdSense. Basically, this occur in the newly monetized or newly AdSense approval website. You might think that I have successfully got the monetization, I have successfully got the AdSense approval, and you will just click your own ads from your own IP address, or you will just send to the relatives or the family member and they will click with the help of URL. If you got any click on your AdSense or the advertisement, then you can get this invalid click activity. So best method of getting protection of this invalid click activity is invalid click activity protector plugin on WordPress. If your website is WordPress, if you have other website also, there are a lot of method to do this, and I'll show you how you can solve this error today. Okay, so first of all, there is no way of getting this invalid click activity except you can just apply for the appeal form. Okay, if you just search in the internet, then you are just wasting your time. If your AdSense is disabled and if you are searching how to fix this, or if you are just hiring someone to fix this, Google has not made any policies, they have not created any platform by which this can be resolved. So once you have got the invalid click activity, in future you are not eligible to apply for the AdSense, or you are not able to get the earning. So I suggest you to that if you got the AdSense approval and if you got the invalid click activity, then you have to just apply again with some family members ID or using the name of family member. So you can't get your AdSense approval from your own identity verification. You might receive this type of mail from them, and there is only one solution, that you can only apply for the invalid click activity form. And for applying for this form, you have to be very careful because your form will be only reviewed once, and from the next time if you send a bulk SMS or bulk mail to them, then they will not reply for you. So only one time you can get this chance, and you have to fill the proper form of getting invalid click activity to reactivate your AdSense account. So in this video, I'll teach you how you can fill up this form and correctly send to the Google AdSense team or traffic management team so that they will reactivate your AdSense account as I have shown in the screen. So do not skip any part of this video. So basically, to get the invalid click activity form, you have to just search for the invalid click activity appeal. Then you can find a form from the AdSense account disabled for invalid traffic. So if you have got the invalid traffic, then you might get the invalid click activity. So here you can just go for it. So here you can find the form. Here is the form. As you just scroll down, here is the option for invalid activity appeal form. Please click on it and you will find a contact form where you have to fill all this information, and you can get the invalid click activity to reactivate your account. Okay, so this is how you can fill up the detail. I'll just show you the step-by-step process, and I have mentioned all these sample answer on my website tilloverofficial.com. You please go for this website, and I have mentioned all these answer on this website so that you can apply from here. Okay, if you just scroll down, there is a section of latest tech news, and in that I have just provided the invalid click activity question and answer. You can just go for it, and you can use this answer to send the invalid click reactivation request for the Google team. Okay, so just scroll down. Here is the answer that I have provided. So for the basic thing you have to do here is provide your name. So please enter the same name that you have provided in your ID card while getting approved to the person identity verification. Okay, so you have to provide the same name that you have provided. For example, I have just provided my full name. You can use your full name. I have just brought this section because of YouTube policy. I am not able to provide this section or show you. Just scroll down. You have to provide your publisher code. So for the publisher code, you have to just go for the AdSense. So you have to just go for the AdSense, and in this AdSense, just scroll down. There is option of account. In that account, you can find for the setting. So in this account, you can find for the account information. Please go for it, and you can find the publisher ID. So this is how you can get the publisher ID. Please copy the publisher ID, and you have to again back with the same website and paste your publisher code. Just scroll down. Here you have to provide your contact email address. So this is not the actual email that you have to provide that is associated with the AdSense. You can just use your own mail or any other mail so that Google team can contact with you. So you can use any mail over here. There is no boundary. Just scroll down, and here you have to provide the example URL or app ID where you have placed your ad. So if you have provided ad on any platform, then you have to just provide the exact URL. Okay. So for example, if my website has got approved and I have just provided the ad on my home page, then I have to provide the home page URL. Or if you haven't placed the ad, or if you have got invalid click activity on the YouTube channel, then simply you have to go for the YouTube channel. You have to copy the URL of your YouTube channel, not the handle of Google. Just completely copy this URL, and you have to just again go for the same website and paste over here. Okay, in this option you can find the option of mandatory. Then you can just leave this because we haven't provided our intent to place any ad on any section. Okay, so just scroll down, and here you have to just select for the have you ever purchased traffic to your app. Here you have to just provide the yes, because maximum if you just click on the no, then they will find that you have clicked your ads. But if you just provide them that yes, I have just purchased my traffic, then they will think that because of traffic you have got the AdSense invalid click. So for that you have to just provide the traffic URL. For example, you have used the Getty traffic. For example, you have got the big 4 hits traffic. You can use organic traffic also. You can mention all this link right over here. And for these 5 questions, 1 2 3 4 5, I have just mentioned all this answer on my website tilloverofficial.com. You can look for the question and you can just get the answer over here. Okay, so just copy this question and you can just paste over there so that you can get the AdSense invalid click back on your website. This is how you can save. You can just go for the next part also. Please copy the answer for question 2. Please make changes if you need, because this is the sample answer that I have made, and this is how you can apply for the invalid traffic appeal. You have to just mention your website. You have to just mention your own YouTube channel. I have just mentioned all these things surfacely. You can just provide all these things detail in this fill up form. Okay, so this fill up form will matter a lot, because once you provide for the Google team, the next time they will not see your form. So make sure that you have provided all the information correctly and with a valid reason, so that they will just give you back for the AdSense approval. But there is no chances of getting this AdSense approval back, because only 5% of person can get back of their invalid click activity. Make sure that you have just apologize all these things and you can get the, or you can request them to get back your AdSense account. So just copy all this information from our website. I'll just provide this website in the description below. You can directly visit from there and you can paste all this information like this. Okay, so here you have to just go for the 4th and 5th answer also. I've just provided all this answer on my website, as you can see over here, so that it will be very easy for you. But make sure that you have provided all the information over here. Please read this, and you have to apply all these things with your suspended account or suspended YouTube channel. Okay, so make sure you have provided all the link of your, not mine. So here I have not mentioned anywhere about the links and others, so I've just surfacely write all this. Please explain this further also. So for the fifth also, you can just paste like this, and lastly you can just go for the I read the entire form. Chat last, we can just go for the submit option, and this is how you can solve for the invalid click activity. If you are WordPress user, I strongly suggest you to use invalid click activity protector plugin on your WordPress, so that you will not get this any problem on your AdSense. And if you got this video, I do not suggest you to go many more research on this topic, because appeal form is the last way of getting your AdSense back, and this will not provide your AdSense account, then you will not able to use your AdSense account. So I suggest you to please go for the new website, or you have to just restart the YouTube channel with the new name, new ID, and with the new information, so that you can again get the AdSense back and on the digital currency. So this is how you can solve this invalid click activity on your website or YouTube channel. So please review all this thing and send the appeal for the Google team to get your AdSense back. So if you like the video, please hit on the like option. Do not forget to click on the subscribe and bell icon for our latest update. I'll again back with you bringing more content like this. If you got any question, if you have any problem regarding this, then you can directly contact on tlover2054 in the Instagram that I have already mentioned you in the beginning of this video also, or you can just comment in the comment section below, so that I can respond for it. Like, share and subscribe for our YouTube channel, and get connect with us till our official channel. Like, share and subscribe will value for your support. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.